Hi, this is Deb Grogan, owner and designer at the Quilt Factory, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about Gigi Giraffe and Kirra Koala, two sweet new baby quilts featured in Keepsake Quilting's newest catalog. Gigi Giraffe and her baby are just so irresistible. The soft shapes and neutral colors make this quilt a must-have for your sweet one's nursery. The large applique background and wide borders made this quilt so easy to put together. The pattern applique templates are already reversed and ready for you to get started. Did you know a giraffe's neck can be as long as 6 feet? Wow, I had no idea. You can order the Gigi Giraffe kit or pattern at www.keepsakequilting.com. Kirra is just as sweet with her broad little nose and fluffy ears. The name Kirra comes from the Murray dialect of southern Queensland and means to live. We think it's a pretty fitting name for her. The pattern for Kirra also has all the applique templates reversed and ready for you to get started. We chose cool gray neutral tones, making Kirra a great quilt for a new baby boy or a girl. Both quilts are 42 by 52 inches. Both Gigi and Kirra have simple large shapes to applique and a simple piece top, making it a great quilt for all experience levels. We recommend using a nice satin stitch for the appliques, as quilts for baby will be washed frequently. You can order either the Kirra Koala kit or pattern or the Gigi Giraffe kit or pattern at www.keepsakequilting.com. Kits include the fabric for the top and binding, backing sold separately. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit Keepsake Quilting and order your Gigi Giraffe or Kirra Koala today.